Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do an applied visual design tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to learn about the hover feature here on CSS. So there's a thing in CSS called pseudoclass. A pseudoclass is a keyword that can be added to selectors in order to select a specific state of the element. And one specific example of a pseudoclass is a hover. And we can see this is the context, the syntax here. And all you have to do with these pseudoclasses is just add it to each selector you want it, and for that feature. So in this example, the CSS changes the color of the anchor tag to red whenever it's hovered. So whenever there's a cursor over it, it hovers. So the code editor has a CSS rule to style all A tags black, as we can see here. Add a rule so that when the user hovers over the A tag, the color is blue. So to do this, we're going to have to add another whole class selector here. And then we have to add hover. And now we're going to change this to blue as they want it. And there we go. So now it's still black, but then when we hover over it, it changes to blue. And that's it for this one. Thank you.